All right, we have gone to YouTube, made sure that we are signed in with our school account. And go to Creator Studio just to double check. Right now we have no videos. What you can do, two different things. If you've saved your video to Google Drive, you could just upload it that way. Or if you just made a recording, you can click here and hit send to YouTube, and it will send that to YouTube there. We're going to make sure in Edpuzzle that we log in. You guys already have accounts, so just do your regular student login with your Google. And you'll be going to our classroom like normal. All right, so we're here on Savannah's in Block 1. We have this project-based learning. If you click Start and just start again, you're going to be able to search for videos. Well, you want your video from YouTube, so you're going to stay on there, go back to your YouTube, and Savannah's is still kind of processing here, but we should be able to still get the URL and find it. So I'm just going to click on that there. We have it up, so I'm going to grab her URL, copy it. Just a little slow loading. All right, so you see it says Savannah Smith. So now when I go to search through the URL, I can paste it in there and search for her, and her video will now show up. And it comes up, and her video is going to pop up here as soon as it's done loading. As we know, these take a while here. And there's a whole bunch of areas here where you can get help cropping. You're going to get help adding questions. You can do talkovers, any of that kind of stuff. So hers is still loading here. Once it does, I'll be able to show you. Okay, so it's finally loaded here. So she'll hit play. And so if she wanted to add a question or something once it's playing, she might hit pause there. Let's see, question. So now that I clicked on that, I can click here. This is where I want to put a question, and I can type out my question. I could make it so it's multiple choice, and this is how I tell them which one was right. So if I put my question and then put my options down here, whichever one's right, I need to make sure to click the green arrow. Or if you just wanted to have some directions here, you can. Same with if you wanted to do audio notes, same thing. When you pause, you'd click it and you'd be able to go, allow. Hello, right now you should be blah, 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 blah. Okay, so. Okay, so that just went into the middle of her video. And you can do audio track, so you can kind of see if you wanted to put a different audio track over the whole thing, you could. If you messed up in an area maybe or something, you could do that. So once you do that, you would hit save once you've added all your questions and finish. And now I will be able to see hers when she submits it. Okay, she can still review it. I'll go ahead and keep signing a few of those so you can keep making different ones. All right, so that is a little tutorial on how to get your recordings from YouTube onto Edpuzzle and to make the questions.